If you want to eject SIM tray in order to insert your SIM card into iPhone 17e, what you can do is you can take a look at the left side of the phone over here where we have the SIM tray. Keep in mind that if your iPhone 17e was purchased in the United States, then most likely you do not have the slot for physical SIM card. So you can take a look at the left side in order to see if you have this. So in here we have this little hole. This is a SIM tray hole, and we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. We need to put it into that hole, the eject tool, of course. So let's put it in. There we go. And once it is in, you want to push it into the phone in order to pop out the SIM tray. Of course, the SIM tray is going to pop out just slightly, just a tiny bit. So you're gonna use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Now, this is how the SIM tray looks like. It is pretty straightforward. We have one physical SIM card slot, but once again, if your iPhone 17e is purchased in the United States, then you will not be able to find it. And now we just need to match the shape of the slot in order to insert our SIM. There we go. And now we just have to slide it back into the phone. Of course, make sure to not drop the SIM in the meantime and push it all the way in with your finger. Make sure that the SIM tray is all the way in, it doesn't stick out. If you have trouble with closing and inserting the SIM tray back into the phone, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted into its slot properly. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.